Here's 1971 O'Day Day Sailor CYANE. She's road ready for a trip to head up north. We lowered the mast today and could have put the mast in the U-Haul or just keep it with the boat. So we decided to keep it with the boat. So we took some of that gaff tape that's not too sticky, it's a cloth tape, and took the halyard and the spinnaker halyard. What else we got up there? Jib halyard, main halyard, all the lines, topping lift, etc. And they're all bundled up over here, and we just tied them off snug and they'll ride that way. Took spinnaker halyard, I think this one is. Tied it off to the bow. We've got the shrouds or side stays. Audrey told me what they were, but whichever ones they are, they're secured up here, tied back here. Got the mast padded and strapped down on top of the tabernacle. Said empty out the cuddy. Sometimes we'll travel with a few things in there, but it's going in storage, so you don't want to leave that stuff in there. Little boat strap, and in the back is the mast crutch, Captain Jack design, and this is version 2.0 that I cut. Have a nice piece of oak. The mast tied down. The directions from the usual visitors were to, get it snug but not too snug. You don't want to. They told me not to torque down on it so much that we put a bend in it. So that's how she traveled before. She should do great heading up there. So y'all keep an eye out for heading north here in a month or two.